Cloud computing is one of the most in-demand and highest paying IT job of 21st century. And after this COVID pandemic, with the rise of jobs like remote work and work from home, many small, big and large enterprises migrate their data centers to cloud computing services. So this will create so many job opportunities in cloud computing, and for developers like us, it's very important for us to know job opportunities in cloud computing. So in this particular video, I will explain some job roles and job opportunities in cloud computing. So before that, you make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. So let's get started and see top 10 job opportunities in cloud computing. First job role is cloud architect. Cloud architect are those IT professionals whose task related to designing and building cloud computing architecture. They must have a good understanding of programming languages, security, operating system, and of course networking concepts such as DNS, IP addresses, and protocols. The average salary of cloud architect is roughly around 18 lakhs per year. Second job role is cloud network engineer. Cloud network engineers usually work with computer hardware and software to allow users with access to shared resources. They specialize in migrating functions and networks to private, public and hybrid cloud infrastructures. Those who don't know about private, public and hybrid, these are cloud infrastructures. And if you don't know about this, don't worry. These are just cloud infrastructure terms. And if you want a detailed video on these terms, please comment down. I will make a particular video on private, public and hybrid cloud infrastructures. The average salary of cloud network engineer is 5 lakhs per year. Third designation is cloud automation engineer. Cloud automation engineers plays a central role in collecting and processing demands to transform application delivery for the cloud in an agile manner. They provide support and documentation to assist in sustaining projects during the transition to production. So this is the workflow of cloud automation engineer, and the average salary is roughly around 11 lakh per year. Fourth designation is cloud developer. Cloud developer usually analyzes customer needs, designing systems, and they also do some coding as well as debugging. They also monitor and fix issues with the cloud applications so that customer experience minimal downtime. And the average salary of a cloud developer is roughly around 5 lakh per year. Fifth designation is cloud system administrator. Cloud system administrator manages the situation of a cloud infrastructure services, including multiple cloud servers. So this is basically a lead role in cloud computing. The administrator also leads, oversees and maintains the multi-user computing environment as per the organization's necessities. The average salary of cloud system administrator is roughly around 7 lakh per annum. Sixth job role is cloud security manager. Cloud security manager supports the data privacy and security compliance objective in an organization. So they basically focus on cyber security or attacks. They look into the cyber security goals of an organization and maintain it efficiently. The average salary of cloud security manager is roughly around 449k to 485k. That means 4 to 5 lakh per year. Seventh is cloud product manager. Cloud product manager manages the existing cloud products and services along with creating and integrating new products. They conduct industry and market research in order to determine product demand, positioning and availability. The average salary is roughly around 16 to 30 lakhs per year. Eighth is cloud access security broker. So cloud access security broker provide visibility and control over data and threats in a cloud to meet enterprise security requirements. They help enterprise security professionals to gain visibility into the cloud, particularly unsanctioned software as a service usage or shadow IT. The average salary of cloud access security broker is around 15 to 50 lakhs per year. Next job role is cloud sales manager. Cloud sales manager secures businesses for accounts that offer services like managed applications, hosting and enterprise cloud services. The average salary of cloud sales manager is roughly around 60 lakh per year. And the last job description is cloud broker. Cloud broker manages the use, performance and delivery of cloud services and negotiates relationship between cloud providers and cloud consumers. The average salary of cloud broker is roughly around 8 lakhs. So these are top 10 job opportunities in cloud computing domain, and if you are preparing for cloud computing, if you want to learn about cloud computing, then please comment down. Let us know and let our viewers know that you are preparing or want to learn about cloud computing. So this is it for this video guys. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section. Your comments and suggestions are always welcomed. And please join our other social media pages. On Telegram, we usually share some latest updates about computer science. Please join our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching guys.